Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys today? I hope you all are good. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press bell icon to get more videos, and don't forget to comment which house do you like and which house decoration do you like. And today videos I am going to show you a VIP room decoration. So let's start with the video. This is for bathing. It's looking amazing, and the mirror also you can see. And this one is also for bathing. It's looking amazing, and the down floor you can see it's also looking amazing. And this one is also for bathing, but the design is very amazing, and it's looking amazing, and the floor also. And this one is also for hand wash, and the mirror is looking amazing, and the floor also amazing, VIP floor. And this one is also for bathing, and the design is changed, but the floor is looking good in the marble in a white color. It's looking amazing. And this one is also for bathing. The design you can see is looking amazing, and the downside is looking amazing, the floor and the washing hand and the mirror. And this one is also for bathing, but another design, but it's looking amazing, and the down floor also is looking amazing. And this one is for bathing. The view you can see from inside, the outside view you can see, and the mirrors also you can see it's looking amazing. And this one is the mirror you can see, and the lamp, it's looking amazing, and it's washing hand area. And this one is also the you can see the lights, and the mirror is looking amazing, and it's also washing hand area. And this one is also for bathing. The design is looking amazing, and the down floor is also looking amazing. If you like, then don't forget to comment. And this one is also for bathing. It's looking amazing, the bathing tub is looking amazing, and the down floor is looking amazing. And this one is also for bathing, but it's looking amazing, and the window you can see is also looking amazing, and the down floor also is looking amazing. And this one is also for bathing. It's looking amazing, and the flowers you can see is looking amazing. And if you like, then don't forget to comment. And this one is also for hand wash area, and the design is looking amazing with the bath. And this one is also for washing hand area, and the down floor is looking amazing, and the mirrors and the washing hand area. If you like, then don't forget to comment. And this one is also for bathing. The mirrors you can see is looking amazing, and the down floor also is looking amazing. And this one is also for bathing. It's looking amazing with the lights and the down floor. And this one is also in a black and white color, and the mirror is looking amazing for bathing area. Thank you, and have a nice. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.